Hey guys, we are at Wildlife Friends Foundation in Thailand. Gonna have a whole day here, just like chilling with animals and
So
caring for them and seeing some elephants and monkeys and stuff.
I'm
So
excited.
yeah, we'll show you around while we're wandering and doing what we're doing. So we just like passed a few enclosures where they have like, had some monkeys like missing arms and stuff, and then there was some cows missing feet.
The monkeys are missing the arms and stuff because when they come into like
in the city.
civilization in the city, they sometimes grab onto like electric fences
they get
or
electrocuted or like try to grab like a metal fence and it slips and cuts them up. There's peacocks, if you can hear that.
Yeah, so they like bring them here, quarantine them, and then release them into their like little enclosures.
Yeah, they would probably never get released back into the wild and stuff because they won't survive. But yeah, it's really good work they do here.
You know what I love? I love the elephants. They're so big. I didn't realise how big they are. I think I've seen elephants like one time before at Australia Zoo in Australia, and they were like not as big as these ones here. They're humongous.
They're so beautiful, and they just like flap their little ears and eat their food and smile. It's so cool.
Looking out at the elephants. So nice. I don't like it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's humongous. What the heck?
So cute. Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah. Another one. And let's start. Yeah. There we go. First dive.
He's scared. It's so funny. Yeah.
It's pretty fun. What did we just do, Bob?
He just patted her and cleaned her.
Feather, feather.
It was so fun. It's so cool. She's so gentle.
What'd she feel like when you pat her?
She feels like she's like really soft, but her skin's like a bit rough and like I don't know how to say it, like sandpaper kind of.
Elle essayait d'aller dans Qu'est-ce qu'on veut voir?
If you want, you can get out of the bus and just stay over here, or if you prefer, you can also remain seated and enjoy the shade that we have over here. This is our second biggest enclosure for the elephants. The first one is for the sportage, you saw them in the morning and also during the lunchtime. This is the second one. We have 3 elephants living here, 3 ladies. We have one of them over there in the corner. Her name is Guan Pen. And we have these 2 ladies over here in the front. The first one, almost in the water, her name is Sipuak. Sipuak means albino. The reason that she is called like this is because she has these white hairs on the tail and also some white spots on the bottom of the trunk. And she was a trekking elephant. She was rescued from a trekking camp, and also because she loves food more than normal, let's say. The people over there, they taught her to basically behave in a certain way. So she was also used in some movies here in Thailand. She appeared in some movies, also in some advertisements. And basically what they taught her was mainly to keep the ears to the front all the time instead of flattening them back and forth like usually elephants do. The reason that they do it is mostly to refresh themselves and also because of the flies and the mosquitoes. Although she doesn't have to do it anymore, we don't force her to do it obviously. She spent so many years doing it that for her that's something that is normal. And now she had some basically problems and some deformities, let's say, in the tissues and also in the muscles of the ears because of that. Next to her and closer to us as well, we have Namphon. Namphon means raindrop. The reason she is called like this is because she has these beautiful bright blue eyes that is really rare the Asian elephants to have. And she was also a trekking elephant. You can see in her back the square shape. Basically that's where the saddle was all the time, and because of that she doesn't have any hairs in that area. Also it's really smooth, so whenever she wants to put dirt or mud on her back to basically cover and protect for the sun and also from the mosquitoes, for example, basically it doesn't stick on that area and just keeps falling off.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look at her little, she's so cute. It must be so nice and cool for them.
Oh yes, I want to go there as well.
Me too. Wow, look how deep he's going. Oh, she's going.
Yeah, elephants can swim and they can also dive. Although for us they seem like walking, actually they are swimming like dogs do.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
It's so cool.
Similar, yeah.
Oh, he's gonna go under. It's so cool.
Oh, I think he's trying to find the guy with the fruit. He's got fruit.
His nose like a periscope.
Yeah. Where's my fruit?
I'm coming for that pineapple, boy.
Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Hey.
This is Seabutt. You can see her from her ears. I got that one right. And her little white tail. So that means albino.
Hello, Seaport.
I should imagine the keepers, it's almost a lifelong experience with them, isn't it?
It's actually generational. So with midwich still, their kids will do it, and their kids will do it. It just kind of passes down. But obviously these ones don't.
No.
They just learn to. This is Nam Thon. If you get a look at her eyes, they're very distinctive. You don't really see an elephant with eyes. Gorgeous.
Hey guys, so we just got back from our like 2.5 hour ride back here.
So we
it's
spent
definitely
like,
worth it.
what was that, 5 hours just in the car today.
Yeah, my butt is so sore.
It was a really, really cool day. Like, it was so awesome meeting an elephant for the first time.
Yeah, it was so beautiful.
Because you see him in the zoo and stuff, but actually touching it, feeding it,
Yeah.
showering it, wow, what an experience.
It was awesome.
It was so cool.
Kind of almost like they were like a little bit scary for me because they were so big. They were just really, really awesome.
They were, yeah, they were,
They were
beautiful.
very big.
We forgot to film us touching it, like patting her.
But we can insert some photos and stuff.
show you the
like
photos, yeah. Anyway, that was our video. That was the WFFT Elephant and Wildlife Sanctuary tour, and it was really fun.
It was amazing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to be nice to people and love, live, explore, and like and subscribe.
Bye.
Thanks, guys.